Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the water and ice dispenser actuator paddle in this GE refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a narrow small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. You can insert a narrow small flathead screwdriver or comparable size tool into the holes on the bottom of the funnel and paddle assembly to help detach the display control. Disconnect the 3 wire harness connectors to fully release the control. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the 4 mounting screws to release the funnel and paddle assembly. You can now detach the old paddle. To prepare the new dispenser actuator paddle for installation, slide the spring onto the post so the long end of the spring is inserted into the notch on the rear of the new paddle. Hold the spring in place as you snap the paddle into place in the funnel notches. Feed the wires through the funnel and paddle assembly as you position the assembly in the housing. Secure the assembly with the 4 screws. Reconnect the 3 wire harness connectors to the appropriate terminals on the back of the display control. Reposition the control by aligning the top edge first, then snap the bottom edge into place. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.